How many kids do you have?
Two. I have two kids, one daughter and one son.
How old are they?
My son is 30 and my daughter is 25.
I'm
And
like
I
your
have
son.
grandchild.
Zahra,
Yeah.
I'm like your son.
Yes. Yes, really. You
Yeah.
like my son.
Do you miss your son?
Yeah.
Where is he?
My son, he married. He's in his house.
When they marry, they forget you, right?
No, he's good son. I see him every day,
Good,
every night.
good son.
Every night he comes here with his children, his child.
I see my mom every single minute. Every minute I see my son. I see my mom.
Oh, good for your mom. You said you see your mom every minute?
Yeah, my mom's upstairs right now.
Your mother lives with you?
Yeah, and my dad.
Oh, good for you and good for your parents.
Many people in the comment
Yeah,
section, my kids.
yeah.
The comment
Yes.
section, my kids.
Yes. And your friend.
And my friends.
And I'm your mother, like your
And you're my
mother.
mother. You're my mother.
Yes. I like you as a son, my son.
I like you like my mother.
Thank you. Say hello to your mother.
I will say hello to my mother for you.